everyone! This is your interview buddy Raghavi from Quantumnique. Today, let's simplify strings in C programming. In C, a string isn't a special data type. It's actually just a collection of characters stored as an array. Think of it like a train, where each car holds a letter, but it always needs a special empty caboose at the end to stop. That caboose is the null character, written as \0. It tells C exactly where the string ends in memory. Internally, when we store the name Venki, C automatically appends that null character to the very next index. You can define it like this. Notice how we give the array enough size to hold both the letters and the terminator. In your code, using the %s format specifier allows you to print the entire string until that null character is reached. Time for a quick interview quiz. Do you know what character a string in C must end with? Is it A, \n, B, \0, C, \t, or D, a space? Think carefully. The correct answer is B. Always remember that null character. It's the most common catch in string interviews. Follow me and Quantumnique for more coding tips. Check our GitHub for the source code. Happy coding!